Now started.
Now he checked the brakes and also the steering. And if you want to feel the steering wheel, it's a bit hard. Try it.
Yes.
It's blocked. So, and now I press the button. The car starts running. I don't brake, I don't steer, I don't accelerate. Nothing.
Okay.
We go.
You're pressing the brake, the accelerator.
No, nothing. I just press the button. That's it.
You're not pressing anything. No accelerator.
No, look at my legs here. They're shaking. That's it.
Lo sterzo non è minimamente toccato, né l'acceleratore viene perduto. Siamo sul circuito in Spagna con la RS7.
So the car gets a signal now by GPS.
Attraverso il GPS prende il segnale e segue la traiettoria del circuito. Nessun'altra vettura al mondo è capace di questa tecnologia. Ora sta guidando il pilota, ha disinnescato il sistema automatico.
That's it.
Okay. What is your name, sir?
My name is Frank.
Okay. You're gonna be on YouTube on our website.
Okay.
Say hello to the Autocentre Balduina customers.
But it is amazing, huh?
Yes, amazing.
So I said that the car gets its signal by GPS, but the car has also to learn the track. Means when the engineers start driving, the car is learning in between the white lines. Means when they start driving, they drive complete on the right side.
Passa e chiudo.